Alright guys, so we're going to take a quick walkthrough of this two bathroom unit in the middle of Harvey 3. Speaking about convenience, yeah. So we enter into this really open space, really nice fixtures on the wall, a storage cabinet, again more lighting fixtures, a bit blur from that side, but yeah, there we go. So the ceiling fan here, AC unit, let's go patio set there, dining area, but we'll come back to that. So let's go take a quick look what happens here. So have a wash area first, bathroom, it says bedroom number 1. Each unit has its own AC, closet space. It's good, comfortable fit a queen bed too. Nice big window. And this would qualify as the master. Fan and AC unit, large window, really big size room. Love that. King could fit there. Closet space. Have your bathroom. It's nice. Alright, so let's go back this way. Take a quick look at here again. And this is the kitchen, recently renovated. Really nice cabinetry on the countertops. Looking real nice. Again, big window, nice and airy. And the patio overlooks the pool. Yeah. So you can know when it's empty just in time to jump in. So hey, looking for a 2-bed, 2-bath in Kingston 10. This is Abbey Courts, right next door to Devon House. Give me a call, alright?